Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I am doing another unboxing with my favorite brand to work with, Keepall bags. They are an online website that specializes in high quality reps, so they have so many designers on there: Louis, Gucci, Chanel, Dior, the list goes on. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox a bag that I just recently got from them. So I did pick out a Louis Vuitton bag, and this is just a regular luggage bag from them, but I'm going to be using it as my hospital bag first for delivery, and then after that I'll use it as like a travel bag or whatever. But I saw a lot of videos of moms having the luggage bag as their hospital bag, and I'm like, I want to do that too. So I thought it was cute. So this is the box that it came in. I usually never keep my boxes, but this is the box it came in. And then it also does come with like the shopping bag, the little receipts, and it does come with this like super big dust bag, so you can keep it nice and protected. It says Louis Vuitton, and then it has like a little card. So let's get into the actual bag itself. So this is it, and I will have the size bag that I picked out down below, but I need to fluff it out. It's so big. So I think this is like one of the bigger sizes for their luggage bags, but it's huge. So I'll be able to put so much stuff in here. And then even if you're using this for just regular travel, the size of it, you'll be able to pack so much in here. So I really do love this, and I still, as you guys can see, need to remove the plastic, but the actual condition of the bag is really nice. The quality is nice. You can see the LV detail on the hardware, and even here you can see the LV detailing. And then just on the bag, the LV is going in the right direction. And yeah, so let's do the inside. These parts, the little plastic, is usually the hardest to take off, so that's why I didn't even bother taking it off right now. And I'm going to get some scissors and remove it, but this is usually how it comes. So this bag is really going to be perfect. Like, I'll be able to pack up everything in there, and y'all know going to the hospital is kind of like a stay, so you do have to pack your clothes and all that stuff. So that's why it does make a good hospital bag as well, because I'm going to be packing my clothes, maybe some of my husband's clothes, our daughter's clothes, so all that stuff. So it is so spacious in this bag. If you guys can tell, I'm very out of breath. I'm in my 3rd trimester, so I'm trying to catch my breath. Okay, so it comes with this bag. And in here you do have the extra strap, so if I wanted to not carry it by the handles but carry it on the shoulder, I have the option of doing so. So here's the strap that it comes with, and when you guys receive stuff from them, it's always going to have that little plastic on it, so it is going to take some time to unwrap it, but just know everything comes protected. And so this is the other part of the strap. So it's definitely an adjustable strap since it has these loops on it. And then what else? It does come with keys if I want to lock the bag. It has the lock and the key. So I love that. Take that out for you guys so you can see a little bit better. The lock. And then also in here, what is this? It looks like a luggage tag maybe. Yeah, okay, that's nice. So it comes with like the tag. So it has that tag, and then I have to figure out how to put all this together. I believe this goes on the big strap as well for like the support. And then this part as well, so you guys get to see like all the little things it comes with and how you got to put it together. So I'm just going to put those back in there. and then have my husband figure that out for me, because I can tell my pregnancy brain does not want to figure that out at all. So I'll leave that to him. Okay, so this is the inside of the bag. Super big, like I mentioned, like just a ton of space. And I see here it has like this little attachment, so I'm pretty sure you could like attach like a pouch to it or something. I probably would, and put some documents in it if I need to, like important little things, if I need quick easy access to them. But or like my key pouch that I have that's from Louis Vuitton, I would probably attach that to there so I could keep it with my cards and stuff. And then it also has just this one big little flap pouch, and then you can unzip it, put stuff in there, keep things nice and organized. So yeah, I think this bag is going to get some long-term use out of me. I'm definitely gonna use it a lot, especially because sometimes we go back and forth to LA, and every time we go I never have a bag to pack. I just throw it into random bags, but I never have like a actual luggage bag. So yeah, this is going to be so helpful even for future trips and everything. Like, I feel like a luggage bag in your collection is very essential. So I will have this linked in the description box below for you guys, plus a discount code per usual. And I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.